Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Flow, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It is a bittersweet day to be here with you.
It really is, Kevin. I am feeling a mix of emotions today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling sad, but also a little tired.
Sad and tired. That is a very common feeling for travelers.
Yes, I was thinking about our topic for today. It is the end of our journey.
It is. Today we are talking about going home.
Yes, the title of today's chat is Taking a Taxi and Flying Home.
It is the final step of any vacation, and it is full of important English vocabulary.
Exactly. But before we pack our bags, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please, if you have enjoyed traveling with us, please click the like button and subscribe to English Daily Flow. It helps us plan our next adventure.
And share this episode with a friend who hates saying goodbye.
Okay, Kevin, now I have to ask, how are you really doing today? You look like you might cry.
Emma, honestly, I don't want to leave. London has been amazing.
I know. We saw Big Ben, we ate fish and chips, we bought souvenirs. It was perfect.
And now I have to go back to my normal life. Back to work, back to waking up early.
That is called the post-vacation blues, being sad that the holiday is over.
Yes, I have the blues big time.
But we cannot stay here forever. We have a flight to catch.
You are right. What time is our flight?
It departs at 6 p.m., so we need to leave the hotel soon.
Okay, let's start the story.
Imagine we are back in our hotel room. The room is messy. Clothes are everywhere.
We need to pack.
Grab your suitcase, open it up.
I put my clothes in. Pants, shirts, socks.
Now put in the souvenirs you bought yesterday, the 2 t-shirts, the magnet, and the leather jacket.
I put them in. Uh-oh.
What is wrong?
The suitcase. It won't close. It is too full.
You bought too many things.
I try to push it down. Grunt. It won't zip.
We need to use physics. Kevin, sit on the suitcase.
Sit on it? Okay. I sit on top of the bag. Bounce, bounce.
Okay, now pull the zipper.
I am pulling. Yes, it is closed.
Good job, but now it is very heavy.
I lift it up. Oof, it feels like rocks. I hope it is not overweight.
We'll find out at the airport. Now we need to check out of the hotel.
We go downstairs. We give the key cards to the receptionist. Goodbye, lovely room.
Now we need to get to the airport. Should we take the tube?
No, my bag is too heavy for the subway stairs. Let's take a taxi.
Good idea. We walk outside.
I see a famous black cab. It has a light on top that says taxi.
Raise your hand to signal him. This is called hailing a cab.
I wave my hand. Taxi.
The cab stops. The driver rolls down the window.
The driver says, "Hello, are you free?"
Kevin, say where you want to go.
To Heathrow Airport, please. Terminal 5.
The driver says, hop in.
I put my heavy bag in the trunk. We get into the back seat. It is very spacious.
The driver starts driving. In London, cab drivers love to talk.
He looks at me in the mirror. Heading home, are you?
Yes, sadly, our vacation is over.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, wonderful. The weather was surprisingly nice.
You got lucky. It usually rains cats and dogs.
Rains, cats, and dogs? That means raining very hard.
We chat about football and traffic.
Suddenly, the car stops.
Why are we stopping?
Look ahead. It is a traffic jam.
Oh no. The cars are not moving, bumper to bumper.
I check my watch. It is 3 p.m. Our flight is at 6 p.m.
Will we make it? I'm getting nervous.
Don't panic. Black cab drivers know all the shortcuts.
He turns down a small side street. We zoom past the traffic.
Phew, we are moving again.
I see the signs for the airport. Heathrow Airport, Terminals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We need Terminal 5.
The taxi stops at the departures drop-off.
Look at the meter. How much is the fare?
It says 85 pounds. Wow, taxis are expensive.
You need to pay him, and don't forget the tip.
I give him 90 pounds cash. Keep the change.
Cheers, mate. Safe flight.
We get a trolley for the bags. We push it into the terminal.
It is very crowded. People are rushing everywhere.
Where do we go?
Look at the big screen, the departure board.
I search for our flight. Flight BA-101 to New York.
It says check-in zone C.
We walk to Zone C. There are machines.
These are self-service kiosks. You have to do it yourself.
I scan my passport. Beep. It asks, how many bags to check?
Type 1.
It prints a long sticky paper, the bag tag.
You stick it on your handle. Now we go to the bag drop.
I put my suitcase on the belt. The scale turns on.
Watch the numbers. 20, 22, 24.0 kilograms.
The light turns red.
Sir, your bag is overweight. The limit is 23 kilograms.
Oh no, it is 1 kilogram too heavy.
You have to pay extra or remove items.
I'm not paying extra.
Quick, open the bag, Kevin.
Everyone is looking at me. This is embarrassing. I unzip the bag.
Take out the heaviest thing.
The leather jacket. I pull it out.
Zip the bag again. Weigh it.
22.5 kilograms. Green light.
Phew, but now you have to wear the heavy leather jacket.
But it is hot in the airport.
It's better than paying 50 pounds.
Okay, I put on the jacket. I'm sweating.
We say goodbye to your suitcase. It goes on the conveyor belt. Bye-bye.
Now what is next?
Security check again.
I hate this part. The line is long.
We wait for 20 minutes. Finally, we get to the trays.
Laptops out, liquids out, belts off, jackets off.
You take off your leather jacket. You put it in the tray.
I walk through the scanner. No beep. I'm clear.
We collect our things. I put my shoes back on.
Now we're airside. We're inside the secure area.
This is the duty-free zone.
It's like a shopping mall. Perfume, alcohol, sunglasses.
Do you have any British pounds left? Coins.
Yes, I have 5 pounds in coins. I can't use them at home.
Let's spend them. What can you buy for 5 pounds?
Chocolate. I see a giant bar of Toblerone.
The classic airport chocolate. Everyone buys it.
I buy the chocolate. Now I have 0 money.
Check the screen again. Flight BA-101. Go to gate.
What gate is it?
Gate A10. It says boarding.
We have to hurry. Run, Kevin.
We run past the shops. We run past the coffee place.
Gate A10. I see the line.
We're not late. We join the queue.
I show my boarding pass and passport to the agent.
She scans it. Beep. Have a nice flight.
We walk down the jet bridge, that long tunnel to the plane.
We step onto the plane. The flight attendant smiles. Welcome aboard.
We need to find our seats, 24A and 24B.
Here they are, window and middle.
I want the window.
Okay, you take the window. Put your backpack in the overhead bin.
It is full. I have to push it. Shove. Okay, it fits.
Sit down and buckle your seatbelt.
The plane is full. It is very small. My knees are touching the seat in front of me.
This is economy class, Kevin. It's tight.
The captain speaks. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Flight time is 7 hours. We are ready for takeoff.
The plane moves. It taxis to the runway.
The engines get loud. Roar. We are moving fast.
Faster, faster, and liftoff.
We are flying. Look down, Emma.
I see London. I see the river. I see the tiny cars.
Goodbye, London. Goodbye, Big Ben.
We climb into the clouds. The seatbelt sign turns off. Ding!
Now what do we do for 7 hours?
We wait for food.
Oh, good. The trolley is coming.
Chicken or pasta?
Chicken, please.
We eat the tiny airplane food. It is okay.
I watch a movie on the small screen. I try to sleep.
But you can't sleep.
No, the baby behind me is crying. Wah, wah.
And the man next to me is snoring. Zzz.
Traveling is glamorous, isn't it?
Finally, the pilot speaks again. Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
We go down. My ears pop. Pop, pop.
We land, thump. The brakes screech. We are home.
Everyone stands up immediately. Why does everyone stand up? The doors are not open.
People are impatient. We late.
We get off the plane. We walk to immigration.
Welcome home. The officer stamps our passport.
We go to baggage claim. We wait at the carousel.
We wait and wait.
What if my bag is lost? What if it went to Paris?
Don't worry. Look, there's your red suitcase.
Yay, my heavy bag. I pull it off the belt.
We walk through the nothing to declare green channel.
We walk out the sliding doors.
And there is your family waiting.
Mom, Dad.
The trip is officially over.
I'm happy to be home. My own bed, my own shower.
But
I miss London already.
that's the travel bug, Kevin. Once you start, you can't stop.
You're right. Where are we going next year?
We'll see, but for now, let's review the vocabulary from today.
Yes, the final review.
Pack,
Putting your things in a suitcase.
overweight baggage.
When your bag is too heavy and you have to pay.
Hail a cab.
Waving your hand to stop a taxi.
Terminal.
The building at the airport where flights depart.
Check-in kiosk.
The machine where you print your pass yourself.
Security check.
The place where they scan your body and bags.
Duty free.
The shops inside the airport without tax.
Boarding gate.
The door to get on the plane.
Jet lag.
Being tired because of the time difference.
Customs.
Where they check your bags when you arrive. We learned hundreds of words in this series.
Yes, from the hotel to the museum to the airport.
I feel much more confident speaking English now.
That makes me very happy.
So, Emma, what happens now? The trip is over.
The trip is over, but English Daily Flow continues.
Really? What is next?
In our next series, we're going to focus on daily life.
Daily life?
Yes, job interviews, going to the bank, at the doctor, and talking on the phone.
That sounds very useful. I need a job to pay for my next vacation.
Exactly, so stay tuned.
But first, our final question of the day.
We want to hear from you. Do you like flying? Are you scared or do you love it?
I love the view, but I hate the food.
I love the takeoff. It feels like magic.
Tell us your airplane stories in the comments.
Thank you for traveling with us. It has been a pleasure.
Please like and subscribe. We are building our life brick by brick.
See you in the next series.
Goodbye, everyone. Safe travels.